Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and okay. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. So I've already applied my primer off camera. I used the MUA, I think. I can't remember, sorry, but I'll list it down in the description. So I'm applying my setting powder on my brows just to take off any shine before I go ahead and draw my brows. So I'm using the MUA Eyebrow Pencil in, I think it's the Brunette, as they don't do dark brunette anymore yet. So it's Brunette. So I'm combing my brows, as you can see. So I'm using my L'Oreal Brow Artist Gel Liner. So I'm using this just to comb down any stubborn hair. I don't really have stubborn hair, but yeah, if you do have, if you have hairy brows, this is really good. And also it's really good to keep your brows in place the whole day. So yeah, so I'm going back with the pencil just to outline my brows, and as you can see, I'm going very light with a very light hand because I just want it really light brows, not too dark. When I do my brows, I like to just stay quiet. Like, I don't like to talk through whilst I do my brows because for some reason I just mess it up when I do. So even on my clients as well, I always like, when I'm doing their brows, for them not to even speak. So yeah, so I'm going ahead using my Revolution concealer in 12.5. So I'm going to use this to tidy up my brows. So, but on the top, when I'm tidying up the top part, I use the same shade as my foundation. So I use the concealer, but I think it's in 15 or 16. So, but I'll list everything down below, like I said. So now that the brows is done, so we're going to move on to the eyes. I mean, we don't know what look we're going to come up with, so we're just going to go with the flow and see what eye makeup I come up with. So I'm going to use Zulu by Juvias palette, and I'm using this shade as my transition color. I love this palette. It's got, very few colors, but it's more like all the colors you need. It's really nice. So I'm going to place it there. So again, use the same color for this eye. It's a really nice rich brown, and it's perfect as a transition color. So as you can see, I'm just going in circular motion, go back and forth. Right, so you can see the colours are very pigmented. I've only just dipped my brush in once, and then you can see how transferable the colour is. Amazing. That's what you need. If you have good I feel like if you have good eyeshadow palette, you don't really need a lot. You only just need a few and you're sorted. So yeah, that's this palette for now. So we're going to move on to the James Charles palette by Morphe. So how beautiful is this? Amazing. This palette has all the colors. Like, you can just literally create any look with just this palette. As you can see, it's new, so I've used it just a couple of times. Love it. So I'm going to use this brown as well. It's so hard because my table is on the side of me. Right, so we're going to use this pink from the palette. The same pink again, just this, like a dark pink, just go place it over the light pink. I'm going to move to this dark purple that you can see that. Right. Again, we use the same colour on this eye, just to just to smoke it out, to give it that dark outer corner. I'm going to use my Louise base to, so sorry, my camera just cut out, so I'm going to try and see if you guys can see how I cut this crease on this one. So basically first you just start from your inner corner, just be like really gentle. So I'm going back to the Zulu palette by Juvias Place, and I'm going to be using this colour. So I'm going to go back to the brush I use for my transition colour, just to blend it out because we don't want no hash lines. So just going to go back to this colour and just I feel like I want to add another colour onto, I mean, this could be an eye look, just this, and obviously you can carry on, but I feel like I want to keep going, so let's see what we're going to come up with. So I'm going to use this purple from the James Charles palette. It's like it's got shimmer, like it's a shimmery shade. I'm gonna need a little bit of spray. Oh, my eye is watery. Don't know why. So all you need to do is just do dap, dap, dap. Cool. So that's the eyes done for now. We'll come back to it. So we're going to move on to the face now. So moving on to the face, I'm using 3 different foundations. So I'm going to mix the Morphe Fluidity Full Coverage Foundation, L'Oreal Through Match, and Lancome 10 Idole Ultra Wear. So I'm going to mix these 3 together to get my shade. I can never get my shade just by using one foundation. So I like to mix. So I'm going to take a smaller brush just to get into the areas that the big brush couldn't get to. Hi babes. Hi Baba. Are you awake? Are you awake? Oops. Minnie's awake. No. No, no, no. No, 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 no. No pulling, honey. Did you have a good nap? You did? Well, I've already wet my sponge. I'm just going to go ahead and blend everything in. So I'm going to use the darkest shade of my Revolution Concealer Collection, which is C18, to contour. So I'm just going to place a tiny. So I've applied my lashes off camera and my eye got a bit teary. Well, and I applied a little bit of black liner in my waterline. So I'm going to go ahead now and apply my white pencil in my waterline. Now that I've applied the shadows under my eye, I'm going to use glitter gel liner, and I'm just going to apply it in my inner corner of my So now I'm just going to apply mascara to my bottom lashes, and the eye makeup should be done. Don't think I need to put eyeliner, but we'll see how I feel at the end. I'm going to use Chestnut lip liner by MAC and KIKO 3D High Gloss in number 06. So I'm going to use for my lips. I don't know why my left eye is so teary. So now I'm just going to apply a bit of glow to my face. So as you can see right now it's so matte, so I'm going to add highlighter just to spark things up. And we're done. A highlighter on my brow bone. So I like to use this one. It's from KIKO. I've had it for so long. It's called Beam of Light, but I don't think they do it anymore. For my face, I'm going to use MUA Shimmer Highlight Powder, and I'm going to use Morphe's High Impact Extra. So I'm going to mix both of them together. So I'm going to use the Morphe setting spray to set my makeup. I hope you guys liked it, and don't forget to like, subscribe and thumbs up this video, and hopefully if you want to see more of my makeup tutorials, just comment below and tell me what you would like for me to do, and if there's anything specific that you would like to learn, and I'll be more than happy to do it for you guys. So thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in my next video. Ciao.